Want to stream Netflix on Discord without black screen? In this video, I will show you step by step on how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is open Discord, whether on the app or web browser. Now, log into your account. Then click on the user settings. From the left-hand side panel, find voice and video and select that. Now click on the video option. Here find the option of video hardware acceleration. Go ahead and turn it off. Confirm it with OK. Now if you're using Discord on a web browser, you want to click on the three dots. Then click on settings. Now in the search bar, you want to type graphic acceleration. Find the option use hardware acceleration when available and turn it off. Now restart your web browser. After that, back on Discord, join a voice channel. Now you will be able to share your screen. Netflix should now stream without the black screen. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.